Hello, it is Crafty Rhea, and I'm back today with an unboxing and some happy mail. I went to my post office and I picked up these 2 packages, and then this one here came to my home. This is the Walmart beauty box. And then I have 2 packages here. One of them I know is from a swap. The other one I don't know what it is. So this here is Walmart beauty box. We'll start with this and then we'll open the other 2 packages. I haven't opened this yet. It's still sealed in its plastic. I did peel my address label off of it so I wouldn't accidentally show it. So this is the Walmart beauty box. For those of you that don't know, it is $5 a month. You can sign up for it online, and it includes shipping. It's just $5 and you get all kinds of samples inside. It's kind of a fun little thing to get. And let's see what we're gonna have in here today. This is Dickinson's Hydrating Toner. It's a pretty good size bottle. It is 98% natural distilled witch hazel. I have very oily skin, so this will be really great, especially if I go out and wear a face mask and come home. I like to refresh my skin because the face mask tends to make my skin a little oily. So that is perfect. I will definitely use that. This is Hello Hemp Seed and Coconut Oil Natural Fresh Spearmint. It's a fluoride-free toothpaste. I usually don't use a fluoride-free toothpaste, but I do brush my teeth more than once a day, so I wouldn't mind using this occasionally. I wouldn't use it all the time, but it might be a good thing to take on a vacation if I ever go on a vacation again. But anyway, that's some toothpaste. I will use that. And Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray, which, you know, we can always use that, especially in the summer. This is NYX lip oil, and I love lip balms and things like that, so that is very exciting. It says this is everything, so that'll be neat to try. This is also a Hello charcoal infused tapered bristles toothbrush. Naturally friendly, so it's black. It's interesting. I need a new toothbrush. I think my toothbrush is pretty old, so I will give this a try before I buy another new one. And this is the Spring Beauty Box. Sometimes they give you coupons. This is information about this. And what else is in here? Just some stuff. De-stress with a moment of calm. This is a magnesium supplement. That would be good after a bike ride. We've been out cycling lately and it's really hot and I sweat a lot, so maybe a little bit of magnesium will help. I don't know. But anyway, there we go. I've heard that magnesium is good for muscle aches and stuff like that, so we'll see if it helps any of that. And then I have these 2 packages. This one I think I know what it is, so I'm going to open this one first. This one is from Janice. She is in one of my swap groups, or my only swap group. Well, it's not my group. It's a Facebook group. Creativity, Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. And I will post the link below. And we do a lot of swaps and tags. And I think this is a wish. It feels like recycled, or Christmas cards to recycle. That was one of the things I put as one of my things that I wished for. So we'll see if I was right. Let's see, here's a note. Wish greeting card, or used greeting cards, wish from Janice. And please post. I always post it in the group. Hope they come in handy. Oh, so this will be stuff you'll see in upcoming videos, I'm sure. And these are Christmas cards. I won't look at the insides because it might have personal stuff in there, but we have a Santa. Look, this one's nice and glittery. That'll be fun to use. I like that. We have the snowman. joy to the world. I can see taking this apart and kind of redoing it with this piece and then putting ribbon underneath. That would be kind of fun. Warm holiday wishes, that's kind of neat. I bet blinging that up would be nice. And this one, it has some foil on there, foiling on there on that ribbon. Season's greetings, this is embossed. I don't know if you can tell, it has texture. That would be neat to maybe cut apart and do something with. And then Merry Christmas with the berries. I love this one with the candy canes, and it already has a glitter border. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a glitter border, so that one would come in handy. And there's glitter on the candy canes as well. I really like candy canes. We have this Santa. This would be neat with a bunch of bling on it, I think, and maybe some stickles on the moon and stars. I think this is a repeat of the first one. No, it's not. They're similar. Oh, this one's really cute. Oh, this one looks like someone recycled this card. Merry Christmas. It's got stickers down the side, and then this looks like it's cut out from a card. Yep, and it's written with some silver pen inside. So somebody had recycled that. That's really cool. This one I love with all the penguins. They're really cute. This one is on a matte cardstock. I like it. It's really like a trendy look, I guess. Very cool. This one looks like it was recycled as well. This I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas looks like it was a Christmas card that was cut apart, and these gorgeous snowflakes on there, and then it's matted on something else. So that's kind of nice. I bet that's a recycled card. May the simple joys of the season be yours. This one's very pretty. That one looks very vintage. That would be fun to do. There's still more in here. Oh, Holy Night, that's very beautiful image. This one has foil, the blue foil, very pretty. I love that. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Oh, come let us adore him. This is very pretty, very glittery. Lots of glitter on there. I wouldn't have to do much to that at all. This is another one where I could cut out, put ribbon behind it, and kind of use the same type of image, but make it my own. Add some fun stuff. This one is, it looks like it was handmade as well. It has that a Christmas tree, and this piece is separate. It's the most wonderful time of the year, is separate from the background. So that's really pretty. And then we have Santa and the snowman, or Santa building a snowman, putting a scarf on a snowman. And that is very unique, very cool. It's a postcard, and the way that they wrote Merry Christmas on there is so pretty. If anyone knows what that means or knows any history about that, let me know, because it's very interesting. I have a cool Santa. I think I've had this card in my stash before, the same one. And this one has a big saying on it. It's a Hallmark. This one is really pretty. It's got foil ribbons. Very cool. And the back, I could use the back as a background paper as well. This is beautiful. It has like a silver, a matte silver back. Yeah, you can see it on the screen. And these gorgeous foil snowflakes. The tree has glitter and foil, like a holographic foil on it. That is so beautiful. That's why it's beautiful. Oh, what fun. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's so, this is like my style, this fun, you know, other than traditional Christmas, I love the whimsical look. It's very cool. Then we have that. And the last one is the snowman. I've had this same card before. It has the presents in foil and the Merry Christmases in foil. And I think that was it. Yep, that is it. I will put all these back in there. You'll probably see some of these show up in a follow-up video making my recycled cards. Thank you, Janice. I love that. And this, I do not know what it is. It is from Sharon R. I won't say your last name. Sharon R. And I do not know what it is. It's bulky. It is some 3D tape. Let's see, there's a card. It says Ria. I'm guessing this might be from a viewer. We'll see. It's purple. That's my favorite color. And ribbon. Oh, you mentioned not getting to the dollar store and we're not sure if they had foam tape. Mine does, so I thought I'd pass it on to you. Best wishes, Sharon. Thank you so much. And this is so pretty because look at how this card opens. The front of the card is not as big as the bottom. That's really cool. And then that's on the back. I love that card, Sharon. That is really cool. And here is some foam tape. Thank you so much, Sharon. You know I'll put that to good use. And it's already cut for me. That is awesome. I will definitely be using that. Thank you so much. Well, that is my Happy Mail. I am thrilled. And please know that you do not have to send me Happy Mail. I do appreciate it if you do, and I will always put it on video. But of course, it's not a requirement. It's just kind of an extra fun thing. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like what you see. Give Sharon some love down in the comments. And also Janice, in case she's watching, she's the one that sent me all the cards. And, excuse me. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all of you. And I can't wait to hear your comments below. If you have any ideas that I should do with some of those gorgeous Christmas cards in here, let me know. And I will give it a try. I'll see you all later, and until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.